Hello guys, good morning. Alright, so in this video, I want to show us how to fix your alphabet stickers on your wall. Now, first and foremost, first thing to do is to mark out the base. Now, you have to measure the size you bought. It has different sizes. Now, I'm trying to calculate the number of the inches now. So, I have to use my ruler and map out the base where it will be positioned. Now, this sticker has a glue, but you must have to first of all remove the paper cover on each of the sticker and then glue it to the foam which it came with, right? This foam came with the stickers. Now you first of all glue this first. Now please don't remove the cover of the shiny parts. First of all, remove the under of the gold one, then make sure that the names are aligning with the foam like under, right? That's the base. Then remove this one under here. This is for the gum as well that will stick to the wall. Then make sure you must have made a fence line. So I use a white chalk to mark where it should be positioned, and make sure somebody is helping you to check if it's straight from the back. Now I have fixed the F, which we are working towards getting a fashion sticker, right? So now you make sure you carefully align this. The while putting, please make sure you bring a long ruler and place on top so that it will give you a straight line, because if you make a mistake, there will be no room for you to pull the sticker. The more you put the sticker, the more the gum is fading. So you must make sure you gently and carefully do this. So I am trying to put the S now. So try to make sure that the alphabets are corresponding with the shapes of the black rubber curve, which is the base, right? So make sure it's corresponding, then glue it properly, and then pull off this one. So this is how you will do all the rest of the alphabets. Then make sure you place it, giving gaps, little gaps on each alphabet, so that it will be fanciful enough, so that it won't be so jam-packed, right? So just carefully stick all these things across. And when doing this, please make sure you are patient enough. Don't be in a haste to see the end result. Take your time to stick it as shown, right? So you don't need to call somebody to help you install this. You can do this by yourself. Once you are a create, you are creative, right? Every fashion designer should be able to fix this by themselves without needing to call someone who might charge you to install this in your office. So this is my showroom. I'm trying to fix my Fashion Priest stickers on the wall where I will be showcasing my products, right? So you just have to know that in this our fashion business, you have to also be going upgrading yourself in order to meet with the trend and also meet with the demand of your social media packaging, presentations, and handling. So this elf and this P alphabet is not sticky. It's not sticking, right? So I will go and apply gum on it so that it can stick properly. So I had to bring gum, and then I use normal gum to stick it. The gum it came with wasn't enough. So this is how I am doing it. Now while my electrician is trying to fix the whole of the electrical parts together for me. So I'm also working on this. So had it been I had a chance to learn how to do electrical wiring, I would have as well taught you guys how to do this. But just do the ones you can do and employ the ones you cannot do. Then here I have here is also my wall sticker. My wall clock, right? So this my wall clock. I think I like it. I bought it for 7,000 naira. Then for that, my name stickers, I bought one for 900 naira. Depends on your vendor though. So you can still, if you happen to get a cheaper rate, fine. But make sure you buy from a trusted vendor, right? So now I'm trying to couple the wall clock, right? It's also kind of a sticker. So I have to pull the engine behind, then put the flush on top, then before I tighten it with my hand this way. It came with all those bolts and everything. I'm trying to fix the hour hand first, or the hour indicator first. So you carefully make sure you don't bend this. So you try to cross check every other process. I'm trying to check if this will enter. So I realized that I need a little pressure. So I'm being careful so that it doesn't bend the hand, so that it doesn't alternate or change the perfect timing of this clock. So I'm taking my time to do this. So now, if you get to this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up. Also comment. Also tell me how impactful or helpful this video might have been to you. So this is just one of the most behind the scenes that most fashion designers pass through, and this is the fixing. They have to now remove the seconds indicator and bend it in a way that it will move without touching the minutes hand. So I have to carefully do this. So I have cross-checked it now. So I'm trying to pull off the paper or the waterproof it came with in order to reveal the actual shiny and beautiful clock I have here. Actually, I should have done this first, but I decided not to do it first in order not to stain the surface because my hands were not that clean. So I now have to put a nail on the wall, and then I hung the clock first. Then before then, you must have put the battery. Then it also came with some stickers that will beautify the area with the clock is being hung. Then make sure you peel off also the same process you used in installing the alphabet names. So trying to make sure I cross my T's and dot my I's, and then this is the electrical wiring going on. So this is behind the scene of how I opened my Fashion Priest showroom. Is going to be massive here by God's grace. So this is how I work to make sure I meet up with the trending demands and make sure I give my fashion business a new face as always. So now I'm trying to pull off the waterproof that is covering the alphabets gently, so peel them off so that it will reveal the real gold shiny effect. So this is how I am doing mine. So the essence of this video is to show you guys how you can install this by yourself without having to employ anyone to come and do this for you. So this is this last stage I have. So the next things you'll be seeing henceforth, guys, will be some videos, some pictures coming from this my showroom, and I will pray you guys will enjoy and learn a lot from Fashion Priest, right? So I have been floating the redefined brand for a while now. So I think I need to also float this as well to check which of them will do better than each other. But then, if you're not strong enough to float two brands, it's not easy though, because you need to treat them individually before you can float the two brands. So I'm also trying to pull off the clocks, the covers, the sticker cover there. So carefully trying to not to alter or spoil any of them. So I have removed the center one. So I'm trying to pull them off gradually and make sure all of them are together. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video to your friends so that they can learn how to do this. This is what we call DIY, meaning do it yourself, right? So you don't need to call someone to come and help you do any of these if you have watched this video to this very moment. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my subsequent videos. Don't forget to subscribe. To subscribe is free. Also watch the end so that you will learn how these things we are all looking like at the end of the day. All right, guys, bye bye. See you in my next video.